Welcome back Tech Newbies, my name is Don. First of all, sorry if I wasn't able to post a video last week. I got invited to a ride down south by my friend, Manoy Moto. I'll post a link in the description so you can visit his YouTube channel and check out our ride. Anyways, today we're gonna take a look at the Jabra Speak 750. Is this the speakerphone your boardroom needs? Let's go.
Tech Newbies.
This unit was sent to me for the purpose of review. However, no advance copy of this review was sent to Jabra prior to posting. Both you, the audience, and Jabra representatives will see this video only after this is posted on YouTube, so no bias here. We have here the box with all these wordings. On the lower part it says, "Hear and be heard when it matters." Works with all leading UC participants. Plug and play for instant collaboration. There's a UC certified marking, a link where you can register your product, the unit details such as part number and the like. Opening the box, we have the included pouch that contains the Speak 750 unit and the obligatory manuals and literature that no one ever reads. On the top of the flap, you have an illustration on how to pair the unit with the dongle. Opening the included pouch, we'll find the Speak 750 unit that's about the size of a compact disc, diameter-wise. At the center is the silver grill that houses the speaker and microphone units. Along this black circle, you have the capacitive buttons. At the bottom, you have the dongle neatly tucked in a cutout, and the collapsible stand if you prefer to position your speaker facing you as opposed to laying it flat on the table. The USB cable is non-removable and is wrapped around the base of the speaker unit for easy storage. While you can wrap the USB cable within the speaker, you can see the USB-A connector slightly protruding when the cable is fully wrapped. It would have been nice if there's also a cutout for this port for a more cleaner look, but that's just the OC in me. To turn the unit on, hold the power button for 2 seconds or until the buttons light up. You can link two Speak 750s for a wider coverage, a very useful feature if you have a long table in your conference room. The link button will automatically light up when there's another Speak 750 within the range of 4 meters. To link, simply press each of the link buttons in each speaker.
Place another Jabra Speak 750 nearby and tap its link button to link them together. Linked.
The Speak 750 is truly plug and play, no drivers needed. You can download and install the Jabra Direct app if you want to configure some of the settings. With this app, you can toggle some of the settings on or off, or delete a device from the pairing list. You can also rename your Speak 750 unit. On the soft phone tab, you have the USB integration and the prioritize USB audio toggle switches. On the button configuration tab, you can set the smart button to function either as a speed dial button or a smart assistant button. And finally, on the product information tab, you can find the firmware version. If you prefer to use the included dongle for connection, simply plug it on an empty USB port and wait for the Jabra Direct app to detect your unit. Once detected, you can see both the dongle and the Speak 750 on the Jabra Direct app. By the way, if you have seen my Jabra Evolve 285 and Panacas reviews, you will notice that the look of the Jabra Direct app has changed. Personally, I like this than the older UI. For me, it's easier to navigate. Here are the sound tests and comparisons. According to YouTube Analytics, there's only a small fraction of you watching these videos are subscribed to my channel. Click on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos. Your help is very much appreciated. According to YouTube Analytics, there's only a small fraction of you watching these videos are subscribed to my channel. Click on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos. Your help is very much appreciated. For the microphone test, I recorded this using the Windows Voice Recorder app with an electric fan running under the table. After recording, I played the audio on foobar with the spectrograph on. This way, not only can you hear the noise cancellation triggers in, but also visualize it through the spectrograph. Jabra Speak 750 microphone noise cancellation test using Jabra direct connection. Mic check 1 2. Jabra Speak 750 microphone noise cancellation test using USB connection. Mic check 1 2. Notice how different the two graphs are. It seems that when you are using the dongle, there's a bit of a lag before the noise cancellation slash suppression kicks in, whereas with a USB connection, it was instantaneous. Going back to that protruding USB connector, because of this, I usually install the unit USB first on its pouch. This is to avoid catching it to the zipper when opening or closing the pouch. I have had a number of accidental power ons because of this, but maybe that's just me. While the Speak 750 produces great sound quality, keep in mind though that it is still a speakerphone. Hence, you might find it underwhelming when used in music listening. However, this is a given since this was designed with voice clarity in mind. Would I recommend it? As an audiovisual professional, I know how important it is to have the proper AV equipment to support your meeting rooms. After all, the purpose of a meeting is to communicate your message through all the participants. With its great sound quality, focusing on voice clarity, and the noise cancellation feature, the Jabra Speak 750 has the audio in AV covered when doing online meetings and or voice calls. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but if you do a lot of online meetings and or voice calls, you should at least consider investing in a speakerphone like this one. That's it for this video. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Peace.